Today we'll make Finnish Semolina Porridge and blueberry soup. Let's boil some water and add some sugar to it, and then the frozen blueberries. Let's stir them a bit so that the sugar dissolves. And then we'll need to crush the blueberries. You can do it like this, but more faster would be using a strainer like this. So let's just push the liquid through the strainer, and then we'll get this kind of extra that I don't want in my blueberry soup. Blueberry soup has to be smooth. So back to the pan it goes. I will mix some water and some cornstarch, and we'll need to boil it again. And don't worry, I will be using those extras of the blueberries in my morning yogurt. Let's add sugar on top of this, and to the fridge it goes. Let's boil the milk, and then we'll add semolina to it while whisking it. And then this is very simple. I just need to let it simmer for a while, about 10 minutes, just sometimes moving it so that it doesn't burn, and in the end a little bit of salt to taste, and it's ready. I really like this porridge cold and with cold blueberry soup. Yummy!